once again, I have three reasons why I believe platforms are highly relevant when it comes to distributing insurance solutions. The first one, which is, I believe, really important, is that they have a lot of customers. And that's sometimes something that incumbents probably don't assess the right way. Usually they consider platforms, okay, that's small players. The reality is that several of them have millions of customers, so they are as big, again, on their vertical than, let's say, an insurance carrier or a banking player. So they are very big. They have a lot of customers on their vertical. That's the first strength. The second one, again, back to the data, is that they have a lot of understanding, a lot of data to better understand who their customers are, how they behave, what they like, what they don't like. And the third point, which I believe is the dream of any insurance player, is that they have a very regular touch points with them. So for these three reasons, it seems to me that, again, on a specific vertical, on their vertical, they are highly relevant to become, let's say, insurance distributor and push, as you said, Ruth, earlier, the right product at the right time through the right channel, being the platform itself. And that's where tech is highly required.
I would build on Florian's point. Those verticals certainly do have proximity, but they tend to be related to one area of an individual's life. I think what the banks supported by insurers have is a kind of broader view of an individual's world, of their bubble. And so they're able to bring personalisation in insurance and in offer management that maybe other players can't do. And we've seen historically insurers take solutions out based on their own silos and their own product construct, but actually that's not how consumers see insurance. The idea that as an individual, I go out and shop for, a home insurance policy, and then separately a car, and then for pets or travel, it makes sense to insurance companies and potentially to banks. But as a consumer, that makes no sense. And had it not evolved over time, we certainly wouldn't design it that way. So I think the utilization of data and that proximity across, one's whole life means that banks and insurers have an opportunity to, once again, create really great products that de-risk people's world and are highly relevant. And if they deliver them in the right mechanism, then that would certainly be a way that people would want to consume insurance in the future.